Hello, my friends, and welcome back to my channel, and welcome to Spiegelmom Scraps channel, and welcome to a little bit of a 2-for today, because it is my day for posting for Spiegelmom Scraps, and it is also my first layout for Build-A-Page. So, as you saw on Sunday, I really wanted to try and kill this lovely Echo Park winter collection. And so, my friends, here are the papers I have left. And I sort of got carried away. I started this layout a little bit, but I think I could probably do another one in a very similar fashion. But this collection is pretty much done. Now, in my page kit making video, I talked about being inspired in my head. I remembered 30 Days of Sketches Series 9, Day 8, and the lovely sketch by Susanna Lee. And I put it here at the beginning because I certainly did get inspired by that. And then I was looking through all the gorgeous layouts to try and pick a layout for the May I Scrap Lift You as well. And I think in the end, I'm not going to do any very specific one. I did take one out, and I'm going to come back and do that on another layout. But I took bits and pieces from so many different layouts, but then I sort of veered off course. So I got quite a bit of this already done. Got my strips down here. And then just for a little bit of interest here, I decided to tear the edges. I'm doing an 8.5 by 11 as opposed to a 12 by 12 because this is going to go into my early years album. And I already have one page done, and I want to put this behind that page. So I did choose the black and white photo. Then I took all sorts of scraps from these same papers, layered them up behind the photo, but then matted the entire photo in white. Now, that takes up quite a bit of real estate already. More, I think, than I thought it would when I started this, but I love it. So, the photo's a focal point, right? So, there we go. So, I've got that. And then it came to me that I really needed to do a fun little shaker element. So I took the frame in the ephemera pack from the winter collection, and this was the easiest little shaker pocket to make at all. I took the frame, put my acetate, the Spiegelmom Scraps acetate sheet on the back of that, cut myself a 2 1/4 by 2 1/4 square, put the Big Mama foam on there, and then I got the Glacier Summit sequin mix out, and that's a fairly recent one, I believe, and the Silver Spectacle, which was part of the, if I'm not mistaken, I think it was the November or December release, and I just put a teensy little bit in there to get the silver out, but I think I might bring some of these back, and all of these gorgeous blues just go perfectly with that collection. Now, I also have Snowflakey here as well, because I might want to go in, I think I might want to go in and get some of these lovely snowflakes to dot around on this page. So don't forget, I do have an affiliate link down below. The affiliate link gets you to the shop quickly. It doesn't cost you any more, but it does give me a little bit of a commission. But you can still use, and don't forget to use the code Moira15 to get 15% off your order, because using the affiliate link does not get you the discount automatically. You have to do that little code at the end. So there you go. So then I have these gorgeous perspectives, because I think my title is going to be sort of down here in the sketch, and a couple of the layouts that I got inspired by. There was a lovely big title down here, so I think I might do something like that. And I have this chipboard for Hello. We might bring that in as well. So let's leave that here for a moment, then we'll look at what else we have so that I can get this down. Now, do I want it straight? So I think I kind of like that here, and then we need to pop that. No, you see, it needs to be a little bit higher, doesn't it? Because we don't want, now I think there, you see, I think I'm going to just do everything just a little bit askew. So let's do that, my friends, and get that down. The weather has finally broken here. I'm recording this and a storm is coming. The rain has started. No thunder or lightning yet, so I figured I better get this done. Here, let me sort of, yeah, this is sort of where I want that. Let's pop this sort of here. There we go, so that we do see a little bit of all of that lovely paper. Have it, that's maybe a little bit more askew than I wanted. There we go. All right, I think I like that better. Then we will pop this underneath. I just love, I don't know about you, but I mean, shaker pockets for me just never get old. They are awesome embellishment clusters. I mean, once you have a gorgeous shaker pocket on there, there really isn't much more you need to do. So there we go. Let's pop that there. Now you see, you look at that, and a title. So you see, I could do the title, I guess, like this. I could. Yeah, no, I think I do like it a little bit more down here, like this. But then I think I might put this hello, pop it in there. There, yeah, you see, I do like that. So, okay, let's do that. Hello, Winter Moments is a fun title. This is going to go into my early years album. And I talked about it in my page kit making video. If you want to pop back and see this, but I was talking about how, because I've spoken about this photo a couple of times, how I had been talking about these big feet. And Ronnie reminded me that in those days we wore galoshes. So basically these were over my regular shoes, hence these massive big feet I have. So there's me being a little bit of a Bigfoot there. So I do like that way that is there. So let's get this down. I love these perspectives, these gorgeous perspectives. I got 2 sets of this, so and I didn't really realize I was going to be doing so many winter layouts, but I did, and I just love the frosty look. And these lovely words make for such awesome titles. I'm becoming quite obsessed with that. So, let's get that here. Sort of there. Bring that over just a touch. So, Winter Moments. You know, at the end, when we get this done, those gorgeous sequins, these lovely perspectives, the photo with lots and lots of layering and fun patterns, and this layout could almost be done. But we'll do just a little bit more to it, I think. So there we go. So, hello, Winter Moments. So this was just, I mean, this is me sitting. I'm sorry if you could hear the rain a little bit outside. I do have the windows wide open because the rain is falling straight down. It's not coming in. And before starting to record, I did close the window. Could not do that, so I had to go and reopen it. All right, so we have the basis of this done. Now, do we need to add anything more? I do have this fun frosty here. Maybe pop that there. Oh, that could be cute. That could be cute there. I kind of like that. I wasn't expecting that. So fun in the snow. You know, it's funny because I really don't think I need any of these, but I'm thinking I might, yeah, you see, I don't really think I need any of this. I think I might put the frosty there, but we're going to wait. I'm going to put a couple of flare down. Then I definitely want to get some more gorgeous sequins on here dotted about. And then I think that actually might be it. I don't think we are really going to need anything else. And that's another thing I love. Like I said, sequins, perspectives, flare, it is done. You get dimension, you get texture, you get all sorts of different tones of color. It is lovely. And as I've said before, a page is not complete, and Sarah says this all the time as well, is not finished until the sequins are down. So I'm going to leave the frosty there, and we're going to see. Now, I think I want to pop, yeah, see, that would just sort of frame that in a little bit. So let's see, would I maybe do more on the white? No, I kind of like this, but I think I might put the darker one there and the paler one here. Yeah, you see, I think I like that. It frames that in, fills that little corner. Yeah, and I may bring another one down here. Let's get these on there, because we definitely want those. So let's get that on there. There we go. Oh my goodness me. There we go. The time is going so fast all of a sudden. I almost forgot I was doing this layout, and I was doing it, and then I almost forgot that it actually coincided with one of my posting days, and I went, oh my God, thank God I sort of had that idea. So there we go. So I do like that. Now, do I want maybe another? Yeah, you see, that blue is a little bit off. I was going to say, did I want another? I'm honestly not sure. All right, so let's start by getting a few of these lovely snowflakes dotted about. That, I think, is really what I want to do. So there are some white ones, and there are some silver ones. Where did the silver ones go? Well, there's a couple of white ones, so I'm going to put one there. And we'll just sort of dot those about. One there. So we can get them all over the place. Get one there. Where did the silver ones go? That's so odd. Oh, there's a nice big silver one. You see, I want one nice big silver one there. Oh, and there's sort of like a fun... Oh, look at that. Oh, I like that. And I have another one of those here. And let's get another white one there. And here and there. I think I might just go up all of this area here. Let's get another lovely blue one there. Ooh, I am liking where this is going. Those lovely teal ones are sort of like a bonus. That... Did I just have one of those lovely big silver ones? It sort of looks like yes. Oh, well. All right. If that's what they say. Okay. Then let's put one here. Let's get another one here. And we'll take another of these gorgeous teal ones there, so that we have that going along. And then I need a teal one in the middle there. Can I find another teal one? another white one there. I'm afraid it's not going to stand. Oh, well, there, you know, yeah, there. Okay. It does. Oh, you know what? Let's go in and get... All right, so I kind of like those. Oh, here's another couple of those gorgeous big silver ones. There we go. Let's bring that there. Perfect, perfect. And that here, oh, there, I love that. Bring this one here. Okay. So let's maybe go get a couple of just nice big round. Or maybe even a star. Yeah, I mean, it's not a snowflake, but wait, let me put that back where it was. And we'll put that there. We'll get one lovely star over there. A star, and let's get one here. And, oop, we don't want that pink one. I don't know what that's doing there. Right there. Should I put the white one? Well, you know what? In real life, you can actually see it. In real life, you can actually see it. So I am going to put it there and then put one there so that we have them around. So there you go, my friends. And I think, oh, you know what? We need to put one more here and there, so that basically we have these lovely snowflakes going everywhere around. Let's just take one more star and pop it here. And there we go. Look, look at that. That just finishes the page. Do we need the frosty? It's cute. So, yeah, let's put the frosty there, and then I will go off, and I'm not going to make you watch me glue all those gorgeous sequins, or I guess do that either. So, anyway, there you go, my friends. So, this is Build-A-Page layout number 1. So, from that point of view, make sure you pop on down below to see what Chris, Shannon, Christy, and Jen have for you here on YouTube, and Sheila over on Instagram. And just to remind you, I used some Glacier Summit in my shaker pocket with a teensy bit of silver spectacle. We used some silver spectacle around here and some gorgeous snow flaky. So, again, you can follow the link down below to get over to the shop. I will see you back here very soon with another Spiegelmom Scraps project. I will see you tomorrow with another May I Scrap Lift You and Build-A-Page. Thank you so much, my friends. See you soon. Bye for now.